Hi guys, so we're going to our bonfire with our group, our friend group. And
Why y'all talk faster?
you think we have a friend group, but we don't, guys. These are just our church friends. Or church people. Okay, can we start over? Hi guys,
Hi.
so we're doing a vlog. She's so boring. Get her out of the vlog. This is just me.
Anyways, we're making brownies for our bonfire.
Not
today.
we, it's just me. I'm making it.
I literally laid all the ingredients out for her, and this is how she treats me.
Okay, fine.
Anyways, so it's with our church group, and hopefully it's gonna be a bonding bonfire. So
Bonding.
it'll be fun, and all she has to do is just mix. So she gotta hurry because we're on a time crunch.
Yeah, I need to get stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see you guys at the bonfire. Say that again. She was just lecturing me like just a second ago.
Because literally there's so much batter at the bottom that she has not like touched. It's dry mix, and she's like stirring like so soft. You have to go hard on this. Like she's treating this as if like we're not in a rush. Like, oh my goodness.
Okay, let me see you work it, queen. Let me see you
Turn
work
it off.
That's so much. Why don't you have faith in me?
All you can do is just record.
No, but I do. I hope you would
Name one thing.
like call stuff.
And that was like the only thing, bro.
But you don't ask me for help. That's why.
Gosh, whatever, man.
Oh, I give you my mom's food.
Notice how it's mom's food, not your food.
But you know, like I could be like, no, you can't get my mom's food. Like I could be like those bratty kids.
Then you're just not my friend. I'm just being a rude host, you know? Do you understand?
I know.
Okay, here you go. Make it stir.
Yay, give me it. Yes, my time to shine. Look at this.
And it's already perfect.
Oh. Whatever. You are just like something else.
Hurry up.
I said see you at the bonfire, but here I am still at home. Hey guys, so this is our fit. Vote in the comments who is best dressed.
Honestly, I think it's me, but you know.
This is very basic,
She
but
always gets best dressed. It's my time to shine, you know?
where's your hat? Do you guys think this is it or is this not it?
I see you. It's cute. Why don't you show your hair down?
My hair down? Okay. I think Tam is really helping me. What about this?
Okay, that's better. That's better.
Is better?
Because I want your hair to show or else you're gonna look like bald. Yes.
Okay. So we got it. This is the fit.
And I'm wearing my hat. So.
You do it more aggressive. But Toby likes aggressive. No.
Yeah, train too.
Like
part of train. I don't know.
Alright guys, I think I need to go home and go to volleyball practice. What? Can you go home and go to volleyball practice?
Do conductor first?
Hey, let's go catch some sand crabs. Actually, no, we'll catch it later when there's a fire. What? What did you say? I said we'll catch it later when there's a fire. What? Say that one more time. We'll catch them later when there's a fire.
because Toby forgot to. Guys, we're going home. I didn't really record that much.
Fail.
It's so sad. Tam, are you in it? Oh my gosh, you look so good. Freeze, 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 freeze. These are so postable. Hold up. Wait, these are so good.
Are you sure?
Yeah, yeah. No, I'm not.
Just pull it. There's like a
Be near the fire a little bit. Spread out.
pull it down.
Right here. Actually, no. Sorry. Right here. Right here. Yeah. Here, come on, Ryan. Wait, this is so pretty in real life, but on the phone it looks so bad.
Yeah, it looks
Oh,
like
that's terrible.
Yeah.
I'll be the princess. That's the song you told me to play.
This is